Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to properly clean a pair of black cement 3's. Enjoy the video. Always make sure to remove the shoelaces before getting started. We're going to be cleaning these shoes with a sneaker cleaner by Sneaker Bar. If you don't have a product like this, you can always use dish soap and water. When cleaning a shoe, always remember to use soft bristle brushes on soft materials. On leather, you can use medium bristle brushes, and on soles, you use hard bristle brushes. Now that the shoe is cleaned and dry, we're going to be using our Sneaker Bar sole food to de-yellow the soles. After applying the sauce, we're going to cover the sole with plastic wrap so it doesn't dry and put it out in the sun. And that's how you properly clean a pair of black cement 3's. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.